Hi friends, today I have brought in front of you the 10 thoughts of the Indian classical music. First I'm going to tell you about what is the keyboard and its keys. These are the white keys and these are the black keys. First key is the C. This means C, and in this way we say C. So this is called the octave. And there are 12 keys in the one octave. So in them there are one sa and one pa. And there's two re and two ga, two ma, two dha and two ni. First I'm going to tell you the thought. Thought is the name of the group of the rocks. The name of group is, we say, the one thought. And there are many rocks. So I am going to start the music from the D sharp, this black key. This is sa. And this is a sa. And its pa is that, pa, sa, pa, sa. So there are 10 thoughts. So I'm gonna tell you number 10 thought. Number 10 thought Pharaoh. In this, its Wadi key is Dha and its Samwadi key is Re. Number 9 is Thaath Purvi. Its Wadi Sur is Ga and its Samwadi Sur Ni. And number 8, Thaath Marwa. Its Wadi Sur is Re and Samwadi Sur is Dha. Number 7 is Thaath Trodi. Its key Wadi is Dha and Samwadi is Re. Number 6, Asavari Thaath. Its Wadi Sur is Dha, its Samwadi Sur is Ga. Number 5 is Thaath Peravi. Its Wadi Sur is Pa and some Wadi Sur is Sa, but some say its Wadi Sur is Ma. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, pa ga ma pa ga ma pa ga ma ga re sa ma ga re sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa pa. And number 4, Thaath Bilawal. It's Wadi Ki Da and Samawadi Ki Ga. Thaath Bilawal. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga ma ga pa ni da sa, sa ni da pa ma ga ma re sa. Number 3, Thaath Khamaj. Its Wadi Ki is Ga and some Wadi Ki is Ni. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sa ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni da pa ga ma ga re sa. Number 2, Coffee Thaaths. It's Wadi Sur Pa and some Wadi Sur Sa. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga ma pa sa ni da pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa. And number 1 is Thaath Kalyan. Its Wadi Ki is Ga and some Wadi Ki is Ni.